In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Outlook and add your email account using Hostinger's email server details. This process is simple and ensures you can manage all your emails seamlessly within Outlook. Let's dive right in. First, we need to launch Microsoft Outlook, your go-to for email management. If you haven't already opened it, go ahead and find the Outlook icon on your desktop or in your start menu and click on it to launch the program. Once Outlook is open, you'll see the main dashboard. It's sleek, straightforward, and ready to help you organize your emails more efficiently. Now we're going to add in your email account. To start, head over to the menu bar located at the top of the screen and find the File tab. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, select Add Account. This will trigger a new window to pop up, guiding you through the setup process. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Here, type in the email address that you want to connect with Outlook. It is important to ensure that your email is correctly entered to avoid any errors in connection. Hit the Connect button after entering your email. Now comes the part where we utilize Hostinger's mail server details. You'll want to select the option labeled IMAP, as it offers a convenient way to manage messages across multiple devices. Once you've clicked IMAP, new fields will appear, asking for server details. For the incoming mail server, type in Hostinger's IMAP server, which you can find in your Hostinger account details. Similarly, for the outgoing mail server, you should enter Hostinger's SMTP server details. These settings are crucial and allow Outlook to communicate correctly with your email account hosted through Hostinger. With the server details accurately entered, go ahead and click Next. This will prompt Outlook to ask for your password. Here, enter the correct password associated with your email account. Double check to ensure it's accurate, as incorrect passwords will halt the setup process. After filling out your email and password, the setup reaches its final stage. Outlook will now try to connect to the email server with the provided information. If all details are correct, it will confirm a successful connection, allowing you to view and manage your emails through Outlook immediately. If you encounter any errors along the way, double check your email account settings on Hostinger and ensure server information is correctly inputted in Outlook. Stay patient, as sometimes network issues may require a brief attempt later. Once everything is ready, you will see the account appear in your Outlook dashboard, fully configured and ready to be used. And just like that, you've successfully added your email account to Outlook using Hostinger's server details. It's a straightforward process that allows you to harness the full power of Outlook in managing your emails. Thanks for joining me today, and happy emailing.